Curious about model building? How much do model kits cost? Let's dive into the history, pricing, and popularity of these miniature marvels. The cost varies based on quality and complexity, with prices starting as low as $1 and reaching hundreds of dollars. Discover the perfect kit for your skill level and budget. Let's travel back to the early days of model kits, where iconic designs like the Highway Pioneers line revolutionized the industry. Priced at just 59 cents, these kits paved the way for the intricate and detailed models we know today. Witness the evolution of model kits through the decades. The heyday of model car kits in the United States was probably the 1960s, when the car culture of the previous decade exploded. Suddenly, every car-crazy kid who wanted to could build a model of a 58 Corvette or 68 Ford Mustang before they could buy the real thing. Kits in the $1.49 product line often included some extras, such as steerable wheels, opening doors, or battery-powered miniature lamps, as shown on this '64 Ford Galaxy convertible. Since the 1970s, firms such as Hasegawa and Tamiya, Revell, and Airfix started to dominate. A big factor in model kit pricing will be the number of pieces in a model kit. From snap-together models to intricate replicas, the scale, size, and complexity influence the price range. Model kits come in many variations like cars, trucks, planes, trains, motorcycles, all types of military vehicles and equipment, farm equipment, you name it, and one of the nearly 200 model companies will be building it. This fun snap-together Dodge Charger is sold for $20 to $27. This popular Airfix WO2 Curtiss P40B Warhawk is priced between $25 and $30. The Heller HMS Victory has 2,300 parts and costs about $350. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned collector, there's a model kit for you waiting to be built. Check out more modeling information at modelkitpro.com.